What's up, y'all? It's your boy Richie back here again at PMLQuickStrike. Man, dude, it's been a minute since we've been to any single meet, in matter of fact. But all the meets are starting to come back. Face masks are required now when you go out though. I'm not wearing one because there's no one around me right now, but I'm gonna slap it on once I get over there. People are barely starting to trickle in just because it's like super early. We're here early for once. But yeah, man, super excited. We got LA Carswatter right there. One of my good friends. And then we're gonna head over there now and then check out everything else that's going on. Today is gonna be a crazy day because like later on I have work after this, so I'm only gonna go on the run part ways. But the vibe is high right now, dude. Super exciting. Today it's gonna be a really good, cool meet because everyone's been kind of like just staying at home, and this is kind of like the first official like supercar run. We got these two Beast GTRs. Definitely one of the quieter PMLs. There's already cars lined up and this cop's just like kind of like just making their rounds. Everyone's just kind of keeping it chill right now. These guys are gonna have to move out in the center right there. We got a 458. Oh, this just showed up. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. That is insane. Chemical Methods, Vitesse, Bugatti Veyron Vitesse. Dude, this is sick.
Bro, really, dog? You got a banana on the floor? No. I'm gonna take a video. This is funny, bro.
Dude, this is it right here. Yeah, I think the meet's about to pop off. I'm actually with my boy Nathan. Follow him at Supercars Unlimited.
Yes, sir.
Not Unlimited, but this is the one to see right here. So it's actually matte. I think it's matte wrapped in the front right here, and then it turns to the gloss right there, and that's factory. The black is factory too. This thing's so sick. So this is Chemical Methods.
Much better than it was before. Yeah, sure.
That's so badass. And you got Ben Baller right there. Pretty cool LC 500. How cool is this? Like seeing one of these just like roll up. Last time one of my friends saw this actually at the Malibu Country Mart. So if you're here in California or just like in the LA area in general, be sure to visit like Malibu Country Mart every Sunday. Like 3 weeks ago I went, there was a Zonda. 2 weeks ago this guy was here. Last weekend there was like 4 or 3 Porsche 918s. Nathan and I were just talking about this, but when you see one of these just kind of like roll up on random, man, dude, it makes us so happy, dude.
Quite the Volkswagen. That is quite the Volkswagen.
I just don't know what it is. It's like when you see them unexpectedly, that's when they kind of shine. All right, guys, we're starting to head out. The Veyron just turned on. Dude, that is so sick. Like it's gray, like glass gray. So our route today is head down all the way down Sunset to the 101. Gonna hop onto the 5 and down to 605. Alright, fellas. So today we're not gonna drive too crazy. Yeah, look at that diffuser, dude. That's looking pretty sick. Do you hear that? The Aventador? Oh, kind of like 3 cars back is like revving like crazy. It's so sick. There we go. There's the Aventador. too sick. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too crazy because I kind of want to be behind the Aventador and whatever other crazy supercar. But damn, dude, look at how sick that car looks from behind. That's literally my dream car right there. Literally my dream car. I would take, if I had to choose one, SVJ above all, after driving all of them. But yeah, dude, so sick. You know, surprisingly, not too many crazy supercars this time. Last time there was a whole ton of them, but now you have a lot of like your European like tuners, I guess, like BMWs, and you also have like there's quite a bit of Nissan GTRs and stuff like that. Not really supercar tier cars, as many as before, but dude, just being behind this Aventador, man. There was an SVJ that actually rolled by, but I'm not too sure if I got it or not, but I don't know if he's on this meet or not. Look at this Corvette, dude, that's so sick. So it's already 9 o'clock and I have work at 10, so I'm gonna have to probably dip out in like 30 minutes. Dude, there's an F12 coming up behind me. Ooh, man. Damn, that F12 is booking it. Wow, that's so loud. Alright fellas, I gotta go to work. That's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And dude, that was pretty sick, rolling around, like rolling with the Aventador, and the Pisa just like took off, and the F12 just took off. Couldn't really keep up, but yeah, man, that was a whole lot of fun. And peace out, guys. Catch you all later.